Okay, I think I am live. I can't believe it's been like 10 months. Actually, over 10 months since I last came live. Mm, am I even live? Like since I last came live with trading. I don't know if I'm really live or not. Here I am. Why does it say it's made for kids? I have to cut this stream. It's not made for kids. No, no, it's not made for kids. So, it should go public. Hi guys, how you doing? It's been a minute. Your boy is back in the chat. So we're going to be back testing US30. I've been back testing it for some time now, but I just went back to January. I've been back testing like month after month, month after month. Uh, I think I'm live actually, or maybe I'm talking to myself. Tida, Madoji. I must be live. Why doesn't it show that I am live? Oh yeah, it now shows that I'm live. How many people are watching us? No one. Oh, okay, that's cool. Okay, that's fine. So let me do my a little bit of an intro. What's good, everybody? It's your boy today. I'm back with another video. Um, if you're watching, thank you for watching. If you're not, it's fine. I'm just gonna big test the charts right here alone. I hope you guys are doing good. Uh, I really hope you're doing good. So we'll be back testing using Traders Casa, which has been my back testing tool for some time now. So I've been back testing US30 here, and I've been back testing US30 here. You can see the initial balance when you go for back testing, right? It's 1,000. You can see here I'm up three. I don't know if you guys can see, or maybe this is not giving a live feed. Yeah, you can see I'm up 370 something on this one, and I'm up 290 on this one. But I created this new one over here so that uh, we can go through it. This one starts from January. You can see January 2026. And by the way, I'm gonna be eating, so you will bear with me. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Mm. Mm. For those of you who connect to my other live streams where I'm sharing the word of God, actually, this is what I do. This is the other part. Like this channel was initially a trading channel. I took some breaks here and there and stuff, and I'm going to continue my faith content. Okay. So what do I look for when I get into the charts? Um, for the first time. Okay, I'm just gonna try and analyze, like show what I really look for when I get into the charts. Let me just play some lo-fi kind of music. I don't know how long I'm gonna backtest, but however long it's gonna be, I'm here for it. Um, Create a channel to join there. Great. Let me just play some lo-fi music. Am I even audible? Why is the audio like that? Maybe I don't think. Yeah, I am. Um, lo-fi. Yeah, I'm super hungry, man. Okay, now let's dive deep into the charts. So, what am I looking for when I get into the charts? Uh, Basically, what I want to see on the daily time frame would be, let's say, for example, I I'm on a bullish, like it's a bullish day. I'm expecting to be buying. What I would love to see price do is something like this. Let's say first day, it'll be something like this. Let me try to increase that opacity right there. Let's say this is the first day, and second day price goes below this, right? Let's change the color a little bit. Goes below it like that, and the third day price pushes back below this. See, let's say it comes and closes above like this. uh let's put a different color, maybe green. So in a day like this, where day one took out the previous day's low like this, you can see, let's say day one took out, day one is like this, and day two took out the previous day's low, and then day three comes in and closes above the the high of day two, then I'm going to be anticipating a push to take out day one's high somewhere there like that. So when I go into this day, I'm anticipating long positions in these areas. Put my stop below this. What is happening here? Why is my OBS disconnecting now? Am I even still live? Okay. Reconnected successfully. This network is fumbling, bro. The network is fumbling. Okay, we are back live. So let's continue. Yo, I need to be eating at the same time. Okay, guys, you'll forgive me. Hmm. Okay. So this will be a bullish setup, and vice versa for a short setup. In here, I'll be expecting market structure shift. Uh, Market structure shifts being something like, let me look for this. Market structure shift is something like, let's say we create a high, create a low, and price goes above that high, and then go like this. This in here is a market structure shift because this high here was raided, and then maybe in here there's an inversion or a fair value gap and stuff like that. So I'll be looking for that inside here for price to go up. So that's basically the system I'll be looking at. So going in this day, you can see how price is just coming down from this is the range in which price is, and price is quite bearish at this point. I'm looking at maybe possibilities of price taking out this low as probably the sell side liquidity that price is gunning for. So I cannot be expecting to buy here and also to sell. Price is already like pushing way down too much, so I can't be expecting anything really. At this point, let me just try and let price move on the daily time frame and see what price will be printed. Okay, price close back inside, and this looks like a very um, consolidative day. It's not quite clear for me for now, so I'm just gonna let it play out. I love how price pushed all the way down like this. Yes, we did not take this, but I love the fact that we had some action. Let's see what happens eventually when this day closes. Okay, we close bullish, you can see. So we have this low taken out, and we have price push all the way up. So we can use this as our day one, and then we took the low and pushed. And day two is this one. Two closes bullish, so I'm expecting a push back up. Yeah, I can expect a push back up to this high, but that's not the point right now because we've got an inversion fair value gap inside here, right? Inside here. Let me make this full screen. Maybe let's see, is that possible? Can I make it full screen? Oh, it's fine, even if it's not full screen, I guess. So now this is the area which I would expect price to rush to. So on this new day here, I'm still expecting bullishness, but I would love to see price like let me try and do like this. Yeah, we've got this whole move up. I wouldn't want to see price come all the way down here as well. But even if it does, let's say price was to drop all the way back down, I would love to see price remain above this, but at the same time I want to see price eventually push to take out that bullishness right there. So I'm sticking to bullish according to this price action. Mm, you can see the balance is 1000, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be 18. So day one, I won't count this one. Day two, I'm still expecting some bullishness. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, let me remove this for now. On the 4 hour, you can see, remember, if you watched in the beginning, I said when this is creating, I want to see market structure shift in these ranges down here to confirm that we are actually bullish, and we've got buy side liquidities above as a fair value gap here, and then we've got these relatively equal highs that I think price is going to go for on the 4 hour time frame. You can see how price pushed all the way, took out this low, and then this candle closes bullish. um, so I'm quite still bullish in this, and I also see market structure shift, price closing above this. That's a market structure shift bullish. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. Uh, the 4 hour time frame already confirms bullish buyers because of the market structure shift. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this low is now clearly rated and price push above. So my time frame of work, my time of work is usually around 3 p.m. So we've got this fair value gap that I think price is gonna come back to. Let me just change the color a little bit. Yeah, make it a bit lighter. Or maybe change it to this. Yeah. So I would want to see price come back into this area, but the time at which I want that to happen is usually around 3 somewhere there. Now let me check the what am I doing? I want to see time. It should be Johannesburg. Yeah, this is in Johannesburg, so that's good. So I'm going to do play until around 3. So I'm bullish for now, but I still have my mind around these areas, these lows. It might be a sell side liquidity area that price might want to go back to, but we have rated this and market structure shifted bullish. So I'm bullish for now based on the daily time frame perspective. So let's go. I want to see price drop into these areas, something like this. Let me just draw that out. I want to see price drop into these areas, maybe something like this, and then we push back to this buy side liquidity over here. You know, something like that. That would be maybe the expectation, unless price takes out that high before we even do that. Okay, this is 3 p.m. and I don't see much action. Right? Oh yeah, we did take out these lows. We did sweep out these lows, and we closed back up. We closed back up, and this is a swing low for me. This is a swing low over here. That means this low is protected. If I am to buy right here, my stop will have to be at this low right here, or maybe halfway through the midpoint of this. You see this, the week, halfway through the week, it will be something like this. Let's say I mark here to here. So let's say I take a buy right there. I'll have to put my stop right below this. It's actually nice pips. A 1 to 2 would look something like this. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. This would be a nice entry point for me right now to buy into the fair value gap from the daily time frame. Let me check M15 and see. Oh, nice swing point right here on the M15. Nice swing point. I can buy there, put my stop right below there. Uh, or I can say this is a market structure shift on the M15 right here, and I can buy when price return. Is this long or short? Yeah, I can buy when price return here and put my stop right at this low here, and then target a 1 to 2, which makes it around this area here right there. Or I can use the hourly time frame, but both of them would work. So let me put my order right there. I'm going to be risking 10%, which is $100 per trade. So I've got 10 chances of trading before I blow the account. Let me eat. Okay. So let's play this out and see how it goes. Oh, my TP got hit before taking me in to the trade. Oh my goodness. What? I think I should have gone with the hourly time frame entry point. which was better. This is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. I should have been I should have stick with the hourly time frame. Hmm. I want to watch this again. So this was so accurate, you guys. You see, the TP was initially here, this area, and I mentioned the buy side liquidity. I'm wrong. My Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, yeah, and I don't want to use data. Let me try and use data. I'm just gonna hotspot my laptop because this Wi-Fi is not natural. Just hold on for me a little bit. Don't stop the live. Okay. Yo, are we live? I don't know what's wrong with this Wi-Fi. I'm not even sure if I'm still live. Am I still live? Yeah, I'm live now. So let's go back. Let's go back. I'm live again now. So I want you to pay attention to what happened here. How this setup was so accurate. My mistake was to drop down to the N15 and try and it was not actually a mistake. I was just looking for a less risky trade. So remember, I started on the daily time frame. I said I wanted to see something like this on the daily time frame. Candle number one and candle number two, and closure above candle number one. Like candle number one being this one, candle number two has to close above candle number one, which leaves us with a swing low. Like you can comment if you're there, whether you are one or you're many, doesn't matter. So candle number two has to close above candle number one, above the high of candle number one or above the close of candle number one, whatever. So in this area here below the wick that would have been created, that's where we want to see market structure shift, right? In this area on the lower time frame. So when I came here, I saw that, oh, we've got beautiful drop into these areas here, nice areas. And price, this is a swing high. Price dropped all the way down and then closed above that swing high, which makes this a market structure shift, which means we are ripe for a bullish run according to my analysis. And I wanted to see price come into this daily fair value gap in here, which is the drawn liquidity, and then come back down. I wanted to see that happen, and then I noticed that we've got this um, previous highs here that are also a drawn liquidity, and then we have these lows that price started creating in here, and then we've got a fair value gap in here as well. You can see a fair value gap in here as well, which price came and tapped into, and I dropped back down to the hourly time frame, and you see how consolidative this was. And then we have a raid below all that consolidation, which means sell side is wiped out and price dropped into the 4 hour fair value gap in here. Now we are still ripe for a bullish run. And then I said this is a swing low in here, right? Swing low. Price took out this low here, and then we pushed all the way back up. So this is candle one, candle two, candle three. I expected that we rally, but what I did is at first I wanted to put my entry right there, right on the hourly, and my stop at the low of the hourly, or halfway through this candle. And then I decided to drop to the 15-minute time frame where I saw this amazing push to the upside. And then my mistake was this one, right? It's not really a mistake. I I you see how the momentum is in these candles. So I expected that price maybe could come down to this high here, with my stop at this low, right? I expected maybe price could come all the way down there, but the hourly time frame entry point was quite great. Was the most beautiful one. And look at what price did after that. Oof! Look at the time. Look at the time. What time is it? It should be half four, right there. That's exactly around that time. Nice price action, nice delivery, nice setup. This is a setup that I would have been able to catch, but I dropped down to the lower time frame for a better entry. I want to see how the 5 minute was looking, because actually from the hourly I should have come to the 5 minute. Maybe the 5 minute had a better price. Not really. Ah, not entirely, but yeah, it is what it is. We'll move to the next day. This day is already chai, so I can delete all the setup. This was when Monday, 5th of January. Oh, nice. Daily time frame was very bullish. Let's remove all the drawings. So we took out the highs and we created an all-time high. I want to see how the whole day closes. We are quite bullish. Okay, it closes and then we dropped a little bit back inside. Uh, how would I look at the next day? I'm not quite sure, but we're quite bullish. I'm gonna have to drop for better price. Interpretation, we have got highs rated. All these highs are rated, right? So we are in the extreme premium price range. We might create another high, but at the same time we might have to adjust price a little bit just to balance things, right? That means we might come all the way down into this area, or we might shoot back up. I don't know, but let's just see how price is behaving on the 4 hour time frame for the time being until the next day, maybe around 12, somewhere there. And then we'll be able to read the story properly when okay, I see a swing low here. We see this. I want to see how the third candle. Usually when it's like this, it's just that the time is not the right one. Usually when it's like this, then you expect price to come and take out this high as well. Oh, unfortunately it's not. Yeah, it's not the right time, like I said. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, price did drop a little bit into these areas. I'm gonna stick to the 4 hour for now for better price read. Oh, nice. It's already 4, or maybe I should have come to the 1 hour. Okay, we've got price drop all the way down, and then we close, and I don't really see much of swing points but I do see market structure shift, a close above this. Expectation after a close above this will be for price to come back down into here in order to continue up, but that should happen if this high has not yet been taken out. So that means now we don't have a target to go to, because the high, which is actually an all-time high, has already been taken out. So, and it's already 7 p.m. So I have to move to the next day. There was no setup there for me. How you guys doing? Who's watching me? I can only see one person watching me. Who are you? Who are you? Reveal yourself. So we'll do replay. Let me see how the day closed. Closed quite bullish. So my focus is going to be continuation trades. Continuation trade. I'm going to be trading according to price action, price structure. See, continuation trades are more like buying here, buying here, buying here, and price might come to an area where like here and I have to buy there again. That's gonna be the focus. So this is price break above. So I want price to come down, create this high that we are also gunning for, something like that. We will see. Let's go. Okay, the hour is closed, but we are extremely bullish. How do you trade bullish markets like this? So it's just continuation trades. Honestly, I'm going to be focusing on price retracing into areas like this and then continuing to the upside, just like that. That's gonna be my focus. So we'll see. What time is this? Oh my god. Okay, we've got price taking out this. This is Wednesday. We've got price take out this high, created a high there. And since I'm saying I want to see continuation setups, this is interesting. Candle 1, candle 2. I haven't seen the close yet, but we've got this draw here that I think price is going for. Let me drop to a lower time frame. Now let me focus on 1 hour for now. See how it closes. Okay, we still don't have a proper candle 1, candle 2 kind of stuff. Okay, we have a swing. We have got a low that has been taken. Remember, my focus is continuation trade setups. We dropped into a fair value gap in here. Also the high of the swing that was broken above. I want to see some form of close above here, above this low here, and then candle 3, candle 1, candle 2. I want to see candle 3 being a continuation to the upside. It's not happening, so price did not close above. Let's see, it's 9. Oh yeah, we are going to the next day, I guess. So no setup so far, but I'm looking for bullish setups. I'm going to mark 3 p.m. the next day. So let's go. My focus is still the same. Oh, we dropped very nicely. My focus is still the same. Continuation trades. We might see price take out this low. Actually, you might see price take out this low, and that will be considered a market structure shift, and that will mean I'm focusing on sales if that happens. But we're still quite good. Let's go. I see some swing lows being made. We took out that. We took out that low that I mentioned. This one here. Took it out. Let's see how price react for this area. I want to see proper price. Okay, this will be market structure shift bullish if price is to close above this down of these candles. Okay. Whoa, that was crazy. How did that even happen? No. Hey. Ah, that was too fast. That was too fast, man. Yeah, the 5 minute maybe would have given a hint. The 5 minute would have given a hint, maybe. This price going all the way up and stuff, but it doesn't really matter right now. We can mark this fair value gap. Remember, I'm looking for continuation trade, so I'm still focusing on bullishness even now. Maybe you can have some retracement to the downside. Remember, we still have all this buy side over there. Let's see what happens. 15 minute, 1 hour. We took out this. This is a market structure shift. 15 minute, do we have another market structure shift? I'm gonna focus on the one for the 1 hour. I wanna see, oh yeah. I wish I could see price drop and give me a chance, okay? It's not even giving me a chance, bro. I didn't get a chance to get into this thing. I don't see where I could have gotten in here. Where? 1 minute? Oh, I forgot there's a 1 minute time frame. Look at me. Okay, I think I need to work on my time frame alignment because I literally missed a trade that was so fair on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this. Swing low, market structure shift, point of entry, buy here. Nice. Another swing low. This was so nice. I was going to be in properly on the 1 minute time frame. I need to work on that. I need to restructure, not to restructure it really. I need to incorporate the 1 minute properly, especially in times like this. Okay, what time is it now? 9. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the next day. I haven't caught any trade. I missed this one, and now I just missed this one as well. But it's still on continuation kind of setups. I want to see price now come take this high. You can leave a comment. I'm back. Okay, if you've watched me live trade before or back test before, this is actually the first time I'm back testing US30 live in like 10 months, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this was nice. We took out this low and now we close in. We are bullish. We are coming for this buy side liquidity. That's why I wanna see price go buy side liquidity. That's why I think price is gonna go actually. So third day, I wanna see market structure shift. Remember, after this, like swing low like this, or price take out the low like this, and candle two closes inside or bullish. The third candle, I'm expecting another bullish move from these areas here. into this high, into that high, keeping this low intact and untouched. But I need to use the lower time frame. I might want to see price revisit these areas here before we can push up. Let me come to the 1 hour. Yeah, I would love to see price come a bit lower in the discount areas and what to continue to go to the upside. But time will be of the essence. So let me mark 3 p.m. The next day around 3 p.m. That's New York session, and I only trade New York session, and I want to see if price can drop into this area or eventually these areas before we can push up. I love how we are accumulating liquidity in these areas, like through that consolidation. It might mean we really want to push down before the move up. Oh my goodness, we pushed way too high. Okay, I'm still gonna keep this here. I would love to have seen price take out these lows, because that's my sell side liquidity. I want to see price take out that. So I'm not gonna change my mind until that happens for now. I'm not gonna change my mind until that happens for now. So price dropped right now. Let's see if we can go into those areas. Let's go to M15. I want to see price take out these areas and then give maybe market structure shift bullish. We didn't take the inversion fair value gap in here. I see that if price closes above that, it might maintain the bullish side. Okay, nice swing low, nice lows here. Yeah, we didn't take everything out. Maybe this is some SMC stuff, whatever that means. Yeah, we might want to see price hold this bullish. Let me see 1 minute. Nice. See how I was about to miss the trade again here. So we took out this sell side liquidity over here, dropped in this area. I also took out some of these, even though we didn't. Oh, we did take some lows. We did take this low here. So we have a fair value gap in here. This one, price went into that, and we are stalling right there. I think I can long it wherever it is. Put my stop somewhere around this low here. Since this is promising to be a swing low, I can put my stop below this low, but we've not yet closed above, and 1 to 2 will be where 1 to 2 will be above that. Those are nice swing highs right there. Yeah, we can do a 1 to 2 right there, and let's open a position. I'm risking 10%. Let's open a position and see what time is this. Around 5. Still quite fine. I'm going to put my stop below this swing low here, uh, and below the fair value gap. Now let's click the replay button. Tap me into this thing, man. You can take me out later. Take me out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we might be coming. Okay, that was fine. I think we might be coming to take these lows, the sell side liquidity that I mentioned. That price might actually go back to take out, but I'm still going to maintain bullishness in terms of the overall price. But I did mention that I might want to see price take out this and fall into this, and yeah, let's play that out. Whoa, we finally took that out and pushed back like we didn't want to do that. What time is this? 5. We're still fine. Okay, 5 took out the lows. This low, this sell side liquidity that I was talking about. Finally, we created a swing low here. Price pushed up. I could have entered around here. This is also a nice area to enter from. Let me go to 1 minute. This is good. This was a nice entry point right here on the 1 minute, and we have a price push all the way up and come back all the way down. An entry in these areas here would give me a stop right around here, because this is an area that is protected. But where should I really see this? Where should I put my stop? Let me wait for, should I even wait? Price should close above this properly, and then I can put my stop below these lows. Even this is a swing low here, I can put my stop below this low. See how price came back and created this swing low, like this low here and this low here, and then this is a swing low. Price pushed up, came back down, and price has never really gone below this, so this can be trusted for now. And let's do a 1 to 2, or that's a 1 to 3 actually, because I want to see price take out this high while the risk is like that. And my entry, I think I should just put it right there where price is. Let's take it. It's the second trade of the day. Quite choppy, but price is crazy in here. Honestly, you can see it's not that good of a setup, but I'm still overall bullish based on the higher time frame perspective. Remember, I wanted to see price rate this in order to push all the way back up and eventually take out these highs here. That's still the idea. Like, mainly the idea is that price will eventually want to take out these highs, but I don't want it to be that crazy. So let's put the high to a TP at 1 to 2, because I want to be sticking to 1 to 2 for now. Let's go to M15 5 minute, and let's see how it goes. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I like that. I like that push. I like that push. I took one loss so far. This is my second trade, and I think I'm gonna hit TP. TP hit. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful trade. That's a beautiful one. Uh, hmm? I took one loss, one win, and I'm up. I should be up $100. Yeah, I'm up $115. Up $115. I don't want to complicate things this time around when I get into the charts. This time around when I get into the charts, I don't want to complicate a lot of things. So one thing I'm learning from this is I should have waited for price to do exactly what I wanted it to do. So let me write that. Should have waited. I should have waited for price to do exactly what I wanted it to do before anticipating an entry. And what is that I wanted to see price do? Entry. What is it that I wanted to see price do? I wanted to see price either take out these swing lows, these lows here. Why is that? Why did I want price to take out these lows? Because this is sell side liquidity, and most of the time price will not be driven to the buy side liquidity unless the sell side liquidity has been dealt with first. So price did not. Let me go to the 1 hour. You'll see how we created this buy side and sell side liquidity in here through consolidation. Price did not sweep out this. Remember, I'm saying I'm bullish. Why? Based on the higher time frame perspective. I even say that this swing low is going to be protected, and this day 2 candle closed bullish. So I'm expecting price to keep going bullish up until we take out the buy side liquidity, which is the all-time high here. And I say that uh, on the 1 hour. We then created this consolidation in here that I said if prices to continue to go up, I want to see price at least take out these lows. And I started taking buys in here before price did that, which is what I shouldn't have done. So yeah, price is choppy and stuff, but waiting for price to create this swing low after taking out this sell side liquidity was would have been the best choice. Even though I still think that price is gonna go all the way up there, but this is a 1 to 2, which is nice. So I'm done for this day. Let me mark the next day. The next day. The next day. Okay. Let me just do that. But I think today, this day here is the day that's going to really push price to take out. Okay, 1 to 3 p.m. I think this day is the day that's gonna make price to take out that buy side liquidity, the all-time high. But whether I'm in it or I'm not in it, I should be fine with that because I've already did a 1 to 2 of mine. So let's see if price is going to take out that high for the day. We didn't go all the way up yet. Oh, we drop back inside, drop back inside. Oh, nice, nice. That gives me an opportunity for the next day. That gives me an opportunity for the next day. So let's see how this day closed. Let me remove everything. Oh, what am I doing? Is it me or is this app? Okay, this app might be time limited, and that will mean I have to stop what I'm doing. Oh my god. No ways. Trader Castle is just disappointing me right now. Live. Well, this thing is disappointing me in front of people. That's unfair, man. Look. Oh man. Uh right, this thing is disappointing me right in front of you. Let's see if I can log in. If it fails, then I don't know what to do. Hmm. Nah, it does not want. I think they have a timeout thing in when you have not paid them. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, I can't use TradingView. I did not pay for it. Yes, maybe I should pay for TradingView. I I don't know what to do, guys. I guess my back testing ends there. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll think about paying TradingView. But paying TradingView, if I'm to do it now, it will be an impulsive decision. If I'm to pay for TradingView now, that will be an impulsive decision. But no problem. I'll backtest another day. when this app is waiting to work to cooperate with me, or maybe I should try a different website. I don't think you will see this one, but it's the same thing. Ish. Oh my god. Ah, traders casa one disappointer. I'm trying to use a different browser to maybe log in, but it's not working. So that's it, guys. I had one win. I think it's one win, one loss. I'm up $100. When this app is back, uh, we will be back. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue where we ended. But it was nice actually. I'm going to watch this thing again so I can relearn. I love the way price behave. I'm going to stick to this thing. I'm going to stick to it. The same process, the same everything. Uh, Let me just go through the way I'm looking at price these days. Is it just these days or it's all the days? What did I do here? Escape. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the daily time frame in here. So this is trading view. And you know, buys. Even trading view is refusing to load. Yo, I I guess I'm gonna have to say good night. Cause trading view now I fool. I sorry. It is what it is. So it's fine. We'll talk again. We'll meet again maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm just going to be back testing quite a number of times, and we'll be doing paper trading at some point. Because this thing is just refusing to work. I don't know why. Maybe it's the Wi-Fi. Let's try. But it can't be the Wi-Fi because I'm live and it's working. So it can't be the Wi-Fi. It definitely can't be the Wi-Fi. Can't be the Wi-Fi. So we'll see each other, guys. We'll see you in another video.